If you use NixOS and you want to install a program, you can search for the package in nixpkgs, and if it's available, you can add it to your system packages in your NixOS configuration. But what if you want to install your own shell script program, Git? The easiest way to do that is by using writeShellScriptBin function. The first parameter is the name of the program, and the second parameter is the actual shell script. You can also write the script as multi-line string like this. And voila, now you have Git installed in your NixOS system. But what if Git use other programs as dependencies? You can do that by using Nix string interpolation. For example, if Git depends on cause and flake package, we can interpolate the dependencies like this. Then we will refer to the executable in the bin directory, then you can treat cause and flake as normal command. Congrats! Now Git runs with the dependencies. Okay, we get the package name from the Nix search website, but what about the executable name? To know the executable name, you can run nix build nixpkgs #package name. After you run the command, you will see something with name result in your current working directory. By using file command, we know that result is a symbolic link that points to the package directory. The directory contains bin directory, which contains the executables. You can see here the flake package has multiple executables. From the available executables, you can choose the one that you want to use in your shell script. But what if instead of using string interpolation, you want to write a script as if the dependencies are already installed in the system? In this case, you can manually add the bin directory to the path environment variable like this. Another solution is to use writeShellApplication function. You can fill name and script just like before, then you can add dependencies to runtime inputs parameter. The function will add all binaries in the dependencies to the path environment variable. writeShellApplication also comes with some additional features. So I often see people on internet recommend using writeShellApplication instead of writeShellScriptBin. But what if you don't want to write the shell script as string in the Nix file, but you want to write it in its own file instead? To do that, you can use read file function with the file path as argument. This way, you can read the file content as string, then pass it to writeShellScriptBin or writeShellApplication. But what if you want to distribute your shell script program as a package without making a pull request to nixpkgs repository? You can do that by adding your package to output section in flake.nix and pushing it to a Git repository. And let's say other users have flake file for NixOS configuration like this. They can add your repository's flake as an input, then use it in the output. Now they can access the package attribute, then add it to their system packages. Or the user can run nix run repository path #package name to run it without installing it in their system. Also, you can run nix build directory path #your package name to test whether your package actually builds before pushing the repository. This will do the same thing as we did before when we build flake package. If you can see the executable inside the results bin directory, then your package is ready to be used by other users. But here is the mystery. When you open the Git executable that has been built, you will see the dependency packages we interpolated before are substituted with some mysterious file path. What is this? How does the interpolation work? What is Nix store? Why running Nix build for the second time is so fast? If you are questioning this, it means you are getting closer to the essence of Nix, but that will be a topic for another video. So like and subscribe for more Nix content.